Jeff, this vehicle comes with paintless dent repair. Are you familiar with that process?
Um, I've heard about it. I see there's some cars where I would say Dent Wizard, but I don't ever see their little hats on or anything, so I don't really think they're wizards.
Okay. They're wizards of a sort, all right? Most people, when they get a ding or a dent, and you're probably like them, they get really mad when it happens, but they don't do anything about it. And if it's a new car, the first one causes you a lot of pain. The second one is painful, but not quite so. And then by the time you get your fourth or your fifth or your sixth one, you're pretty much used to it. People don't get those fixed. However, they do end up paying for them. Dings or dents the size of a dime are about 50 to 60 bucks to take out using the paintless dent repair process. If they're as big as a credit card, they can run up to $150. When you buy one of our vehicles, new or used, you're going to get 1 year of paintless dent repair, complimentary. And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, you really should look into extending it, and our finance people can tell you how to do that. But for the first year, we will take out an unlimited number of dings and dents. What's it mean to you in the long run? Well, it certainly keeps your car looking newer longer, but it's also going to keep money in your pocket because you're not paying for the repairs. And importantly, if your vehicle has got fewer dings and dents when you go to trade or sell it, it will be worth more. So fundamentally, we will lower your variable cost of ownership and we will increase your resale value. You couple those together with our great price, you're not going to be able to invest less money for a vehicle anywhere else on the planet than at our store.